My first job I had with a builder, he came in one day and he brought in all the contractors, all the superintendents into the bathroom, and he held a $100 bill over the toilet. He said, "Who wants me to flush this over in the toilet right now?" And nobody wanted to answer that question. He said, "We're losing money on our jobs." And this is a predominant builder in Utah. They do hundreds of homes. He said, "I want each of you superintendents to go out and figure out a way to start saving $100 on our job site." Now, I was the little draftsman for that company, and I thought, and he actually handed out $100 to each of the superintendents. He wouldn't give me one. But I went away and I thought, you know what? I wonder if there's a way we can start saving money as we draw the plans. And that's how I came up with this presentation. And I thought, you know, what's $100 worth to anybody? Is it worth saving $100 on your job? Is it worth $500? At what point do you get when you start thinking, you know what? That starts to make sense. I'm starting to save hundreds, sometimes even thousands. But in order to get to that point, you have to think differently. You can't build the same way we were building 20 years ago, even 10 years ago. When that first home that I showed you that I built, it was half the size of the home I'm in now. The heating and cooling bills are identical because of the technology that advanced, and that was 4 years difference from that first home to that second one. The technologies are out there. This is a system called Epic Walls. These are 2x4 or 2x6 steel studs encased in foam. They already have all the channels built in to run your electrical through them. That could be a really good option for you if you're looking for a high energy efficient home that doesn't cost a whole lot more than a 2x6 wall, and you have everything built in. They can do a 3,000 square foot home as a kit and build it in 3 days. They can even use these in foundations. There's other technologies out there. I think Dan with Logic Blocks is here. They have a really good system if you want a strong house and a high energy efficient home. So be proactive in trying to find other ways to think outside the box. All right? Don't go crazy. You can have an awesome project. You can save thousands. I'm Jamie Walker with Walker Home Design. Thanks for coming.